And today first question is the Tartar tribe inhabits in which part of the world? And the correct option is option A, Siberia. Next question, which of the following known as birds continent? The correct option is option B, South America. Next question, Krakatoa volcano situated in which country? The correct option B, Indonesia. Next question, who discovered the Cape of Good Hope? The correct option D, as Bartholomew Dias. Next question, who was the British PM at the time of revolt of 1857? The correct option B, Palmerston. Next question, the world largest glacier is? The correct option A, Lambert. Next question, Farkha Dam on river Ganga is disputed between? The correct option C, India and Bangladesh. Next question, dong is the currency of? Correct option D, Vietnam. Next question, Eritrea, which became 182nd of UN in 1993, is in the continent of? And the correct option A, Africa. Next question, Hunger Day is celebrated on? The correct option A, 9 December. So today this is video, and Allah Hafiz.